welcome to this video in which I am going to tell you how to create a contents page for a PDF file. Of course, you can wonder, any PDF file will have a contents in that, but here I am going to create a contents page with links, wherein if I click the link it will directly go to that particular page. So this we are creating for an existing PDF file. If you are going to create a PDF file from the scratch, that's different, but this is for an existing PDF file. So now this contents page I have created using Microsoft Word. So let me first save this into a PDF file. Go to Save As and save it into a PDF file. So this is the contents page of a PDF file. So let me close this. So now this is the PDF file into which we have to insert that. But before that, this of course for this PDF file contains 28 pages, which needs to be separated into 5 sections. And of course in this demo I am creating the sections based on the year 16, 17, 17, 18. So these are the PDFs which I have already created. So what we'll do is we'll first insert the page from file. Of course, for your information, I am using Adobe Acrobat Professional 9, right? So 16, 17. So where should I insert it? It should be the before the first page of the document. So now this has been inserted, you can see. So now I will go few pages down and insert 17, 18. So insert it in the appropriate places. 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, and finally 20, 21. So now you can see this is my PDF document wherein I have inserted the reference page. Right. So let me save this. Next we'll insert the contents page. Same command, go to document, insert pages from file. So this is the contents page. So where should this be? This should be the first page, right? So we have inserted. So this is my contents page. Again, we'll save this file. Now it's time to create links. So I'm zooming it a little bit for clarity's sake. So now go to Tools, Advanced Editing, and then the Link tool. So I can see the cursor, create a box around this. So of course the option is, I've created, this is going to create a rectangle there. So whether I want it to be visible or invisible. So we'll have it as a visible rectangle so that the user will know it. And forget about, let's not worry about these things. And what is the color of the rectangle? And coming here, there are different options here. Go to a page view, means a particular page in this document, or that link can open another file, or that link can open a web page, or you can create a custom link. So for this demo, we are going to create a link to a page in this document. So go to a page view, click on next. And now you can see here, it says use the scroll bars, mouse or zoom tools to select the target view. Then press the set link button. So now what we want is go to the pages view. So we want that link to go to this page, right? So set link. So you can see there the moment I click, it's coming back again to the contents page because it knows that something else has to be created. Now it's 17, 18. 17, 18, set link. So it's again 18, 19. Now it's 19, 20. So set link. Of course, the layout of the content page, I'll leave it to you. This is only a demo purpose. So finally, it's 2021. 2021 set link. So now we have created links to the appropriate pages. So at this stage, we'll save this file. Now our links are ready. So before testing the links, let's go and come out of this link option. Right. So now let's see whether the link works. Now we can see, of course, I have given this note here because maybe those who are familiar with these things, they will know that this is a link, but others might not. So that's the reason why I have given this note here. Click inside the red box to go to that page. So let me click, it goes to this page, right? 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, and finally 20, 21. So of course, to come to this content page, you have to press Ctrl Home. So at this stage, I am not giving any commands for that to go to the top of the page. So now you can ask me a question. Of course, there are different methods for this, creating this linked contents. But the advantage of this method is we are trying to create a link for an existing PDF document which can be OCR compatible, or it could be a PDF file that was created as an image file. So especially when it is an image file, it is very difficult to create any reference there, like page number or some bookmarks and then go there. So in this method, irrespective of what type of a PDF file it is, you can still create the link. So that's all in this video. Hope this helps you in creating a more, accessible or readable PDF document. So thank you. Thanks for listening, and thanks for watching this video.